Welcome back to Workers and Resources. Now this is our water pumping system, and I realise I've made some mistakes. First mistake. This is the big water pump well, which I thought generated more water, which it does. But it actually needs, I didn't realise, if we have a look here, water pumping stations, the big one, it doesn't tell you here, does it? See, that's how mine wouldn't have known. It needs workers. And I don't want to be shipping out workers out here to be able to get water, where we just started and we haven't got like bus routes and stuff like that organised, and it's going to be an expense that we don't need. We need a small one somewhere around here that will bring in water. Trouble is, it's not going through a splitter or anything. It's going directly into here, a pumping station which will pump it into there. I think I need to just cancel this bit here. Right, put it back to there. I need to then do a switch. Maybe I need to go a bit further than that actually. Zoom out a little bit. Is that one in and a multiple outs? I wanted multiple in. To one out. Also, I don't have a reservoir. So, I think what we're going to do is pull this plumbing back a little bit. It's going to go into there. That's fine. That's going to go into there. That's fine. And then it's going to pump out of there into a reservoir first. But then does the reservoir cause you to have, or is it a water tower I want in that case? Water tower. Right. That one does 70, 300, and that does 500. Underground water reservoir. Do they have their own pumping system? I don't know. So we want an underground water reservoir. We have an out, two ins. Yeah, the way. Right. Two outs and 2 ins. So I think that needs to go there. Well, this big pumping station isn't going to provide any pressure then, is it? Maybe I'll just put it there and add a separate one in, and another pumping out to the city over here. I mean, is one going to be enough for the whole city? Maybe not. Maybe not. So let's put that there to start with, and then go medium pipe in. And why does that look like it's not working, and all of a sudden it does? Oh gosh, what am I doing now? Medium pipe in there. That one works. And then that's going to come out to maybe another one over here somewhere. Or a splitter. See, I don't know how much, it being that side, I need to pump the other side, don't I? Yes, I'm pretty sure of that. Get rid of that. Go back underground. Get rid of the plumbing. There you go. That reservoir needs to go here. That would make more sense. Oh, you got multiple ins and outs. Hold on. This will save us. Right. Put that there. Are you an out? Yes, you're an out. Put that there. Put that to there. And then that to there. How does that look? Will that work? Your flow from there into there. Is that going to be... Do I need a pump to pump it out of there, or does that pump it out? See, nothing tells you. Nothing tells you. That's 5 meters, 5.3, 5.47, 5 point... I mean, it's potentially slightly lower. It might trickle in there. Might need to put a pump there first. Just move it over to give me the room in case... Yeah. Delete. Delete that. In case I need to put... That's the sewage tank. Right. Right. There. 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 Is that right? I think so. Right. Has that messed up the whole lower 5.2, 5.3, 5.4? Yeah, well, that is lower now. So that could work. Let's go with that. So that's the reservoir. Because that means it can, if we run out of chemicals, we've still got a bit of a reservoir to feed into there. That will be fine. That's going to split off, and then we're going to put a smaller pump somewhere here. Small pumping station. Surely you should be telling me the percentage. Small wall pump, that's not in. It's a well then, isn't it? Well. Maximum number of workers. See, 7. It does show here, look. I was looking at the wrong thing entirely. 7. That uses 7 workers. We won't have 7 workers. So even if this is just temporary, let's get it within the power. I mean, that's not even within the power, so let's just have another look where we're looking at here. We want it this side of that pump. Are you a walk or a road? I think you're a walk. There's an out that way. Right, build it there. 94, 95. Build it there. And then we go for a medium water pipe to there once it's built. Once that's demolished, yeah? I think so. Right. Let's get some roads in. Are you a walking path? You're a walking path. Ridiculous idea to build a walking path there. So we're going to go out to that way. Right. Walking path. Remove the walking path. There. Road. How come that one will take a... This one take a walking path as well? No, so the small one needs a road, but the big one need a walking path is fine. I don't understand. Just snap. That you had it. You yes. Build it. Walking path back there to there. Right. I think we've averted that potential problem. Only a little bit demolition. Have you got a demolition team? Let's see. Time rolling. I don't think I have. A demolition office, I mean. What were you? Road depot. No, you won't have a demolition office, will you? Buses. Assault. Mixer. No. Right. Demolition team. We're going to put the demolition team over here. Because find it now. Right, that'll be under construction, would it? Demolition, yep. Office 3. Just there. Dirt road. What do you need? Well, everything. Workers, explosive metals, diddly-dee, diddly-dee, diddly-dee. Guess what? You're going there with it. Perfect. And you're going to need... You need a waste truck, which I'm going to buy. You need an excavator, which you can have the cheap one. And you need a bus. And I'm only going to give you the cheapest one. Microbus. There you go. Right, that was an expensive mistake having to build that demolition team, wasn't it? Wow, look at this long pipe. Where is it? Click on it. 290 more work days, more pre-fab what's it's required. So you need an open hull. Have you got an open hull coming to you? Yeah, you've got a couple of open holes. These prefab what's-its are costing us. So there you go. That's fixing the water before it even caused a problem. That's just going to be built. But it's kind of pointless. Stop it? I think so. Get that crane where it's a bit more useful. Get these people to better places. Right. Wow, you've already started bringing people here? Wow. It's a pumping station. It's been there for a while. Okay. Pumping station's done now. Good stuff. Get that deleted now. And then we can build the pipe in from there. Good. What's that? Another pumping station? Yep, that's getting work done. No, you turned up with no workers. Useful. You're still dumping stuff. What are you bringing in? You're bringing in some boards. Good, so that should get working now. Good. It's just a question of watching the guys doing the building, I think. Where's the crane going? You didn't take a crane, you took an excavator. I thought you'd take a crane. That's fine, that's fine. Where are you going? You're going to flats. I mean, fine. Do we need more flat? Yeah, of course we need more flats. Need more of everything. And there we go. That is now progressing nicely. Lots of stocks. Good. How's that stocks? It's getting good. That's fine. The heating is done. The heat exchanger is going to be there. So you're done. Yep, and the pipe is done. Everything is looking good. You've got electricity. Excellent, excellent. Second problem. This one's going to be a bit harder to solve. So this is our farming. You're going to farm there. You're going to dump it in there, and then you're going to. What are you going to do then? Not a lot you can do. This warehouse is almost built. You're not going to be able to transfer crops from there to there because, as I understand it, there's a push and a pull function. This farm will push once to there, and this factory will pull once from there. This grain silo, 3,200 tons of it, is just going to store 3,200 tons of grain. That's what we can do. This isn't going to put it through. And also, this is the second problem with this. The second problem with this is it's actually quite a long way to get there, so you've got to drive all the way around. I mean, I am tempted to stop this construction. Let's pause it. Let's pause it. We've got no more workers on site. They've done their thing. They've done their thing already. It's only 600 more work days to get more people there. Pause it. Next problem is this is the food factory. So this food factory needs to pull crops, well, ideally from here. But there's another but. There's a lot of problems here. In order to make food, let me find it. Food factory. Can we see here? It needs 8.5 of water. Can you see that? 8.5 of water. And I believe it needs to be good water, not just any old water. So it'd have to go through a treatment plant to get it good enough to be used in this facility. Required water quality is 79%. The best you can get out of the ground is 95%. So you need to add a little bit of chemicals in the water treatment plant. So if we were to use this factory here, we would need to provide a water source for it. I mean, that's not impossible. What's going on here, by the way? Is that a walking path? No. Is it a road? It was. Right, here we go. Now, because it needs a water treatment, plus it will need trucks to drive from here to here to load it with corn, and then it would transfer it into here, and that's fine, it would transfer it into here. Then we need the trucks to transfer the food from here around to here. I'm beginning to think it might not be the best suitable setup, because we've got to do the water system for it, which would involve doing one of these. And where would you put that? Why are you not telling me? That's a water pump. Well, we need one of those as well. Water. Well, here we go. 89%. Not allowed to build it there. 86%. Now I don't know if we build it really close, whether it would just flow it in. 84%. Well, it's not good enough quality anyway. 95. We'd have to build it out here somewhere, and then do a water treatment plant. So we'd need. Let's just count in steel. We would need 8.3 tons of steel, followed by. I'm sure we'd need at least a small pump. Or was it 8.3? 8.5. Let's call that 9 steel now. Plus, we would have to water treatment small. That's another 10. 18, 20 plus the pipe work. It's not ideal. And then the people are being shipped from here to here. And then the food will be shipped from there to there, but some of it back to here. I'm thinking the food factory goes here somewhere. And yes, we have to ship the drive the corn down, but we've got to anyway, because we've got to put in there. We drive it down to there, and then we can pick up the food directly, take it back to the border, and then it wouldn't be the end of the world. So I think the food factory doesn't get built there. I think the food factory gets built here somewhere. So let's see where the food factory could go. Got any electricity? We could go here. Somewhere here. If we did it, what's that? If we actually did it here, we might be able to actually walk some people from there in. So we could do it here. Ah, hold on. We want... Yeah, we could fit a warehouse in there as well. So let's say we did it there. Okay. I mean, they don't even walk. What have I got? We got... There you go. They'd even say they'd walk from there, look. What's that? Is that the bus stop? No, that's... Oh no, that's that's water. So let's say that there, and also prohibit it being built. So we don't want it built yet. Then we need to provide a warehouse, and I don't really want it to be grain. Or do I want it to be grain? Food. Where's the storage? Crop. Grain. So if we said, probably doesn't need to be as big as that one. If we just did, is that the biggest warehouse? If we did that, oh, it's a bit too big. You got a factory connection there. Oh, these power lines are not greatly positioned, are they? Wouldn't fit in anyway. Would it fit in like that? No. No. So that one's too big. About the one down. Can't see whether that is. Come around this way. Let's have a look. That would fit there for your food output. Again, don't build it. Right, what about your food input? Where was your wire? Where was your lines? I think we have to demolish some of this this road. You got one coming out of there. So if I remove that road and the power line, probably have to be, wouldn't it? And what would you? Where would you add it then? So now's the time to do it before with that power line being broken. It's got dark. Can't see a thing now. Where would we put our grain storage? I mean, would it have to be as massive as the one we built over there? Probably. Wow, that one would be massive. Look at the size of these. Railway one. A railway one? That's future proofing. 3,200. 3,200 without railway is a bit less gravel. It's 3,200 silly. Well, it is a little bit silly, isn't it? Now, can factory lines go underneath I don't know if factory lines can go underneath power lines. Let's build that. Again, we're not going to allow it. This is all practice. Gonna add a dirt road from there, or just straight down here. I think just straight down from here. To there. Overlaps with existing construction. I know. There we go. To there. Do you want to gravel that before? Maybe. Before we demolish this bit. Maybe. Yeah, I think so. Stop it. I'm not quite ready to confirm that yet. Right, I want that done before I start demolishing this. But we are going to look to link that to that. And I think we can do it. That power pole might have to go. We might have to do something with the power. Can power poles go over factory connections? I don't know. If they don't, it's going to have to bend it round this way. But anyway, see how that gets on. So there's a plan. The rest is starting to get built. It's getting bigger. We think we've sorted out the water problems here. We think we've discovered this problem before it's too late. Not going to need any of these crops for a while because we've got a lot of building work to do before we ever need them. This bus stop is not going to be used, but we call it a farm stop, but I don't think it's going to ever get used. What's this one called? We've got to call this heating, I suppose, because that's going to be its priority. What are you parked out there for? You're dumping coal still. You're getting everything ready with coal, aren't you? Yeah. You're just gonna sit there, aren't you, with coal? We're years away. We're not gonna get it done this side of 4 tractors. That's good. We're not gonna get it done this side of next winter. So people are not going in. I don't think are being moved in until, I mean, early 64 is going to be absolutely more than pushing it, I think. We've got a lot of infrastructure to get in place. I haven't even sorted out the waste yet. The waste needs sorting out as well. And that it needs dumping zones. I mean, I'd like to put all the dumping stuff over here, but it's quite a long way from. This is sort of like our industrial park. How much pollution does this produce? I don't think it produces much, and I do think we'll be able to walk. Oh, now I put that in the way, haven't I? Can we move it over a bit? Do you remember which one it was? It's that one, wasn't it? Well, we can't look. Oh, we don't want to, because the walking path's got to come out and go that way. So we want it as this one as close in as possible to make that as straight as possible. So exactly where you had it before? Yeah, I think that'd be best, don't you? I think it's going to be exactly where we had it before. Might get a walking path through there actually. Don't build. Don't build. And if you did any connections, which you didn't, that's fine then. Can we get a walking path through there? We absolutely can. I want you to be a lot tighter than that. Go to that. Delete that. That's more like it. That's what I was after. That was very much what I was after, thanking you. And we'll just gravel that. I'm that pleased with that. We're graveling it. Get around the sports hall. Right, how much pollution does this produce? I can't remember. And how far away are you? Pretty close. Pretty close to you. Which is good for the workers. I don't think the food factory produces an awful lot. And does the wind direction make a difference? Which way does the wind blow? Is it that way? Can't remember. Can't remember. Right. Oh, he's working away nicely. He's almost done now. Right, let him get finished, and then we'll see whether this path could be built. It's close enough to start demolishing, isn't it? I think so. Right, where was the path? Literally between these two here. Road, demolish. Get them demolished. Yep, they're off. They're off. He's finished there now, isn't he? Yep, we're good to go. Right, start tearing it up. And it's got dark. No one can see again. Right, he's done. 6.5. Can you get that in one thing? I think you might. Oh, you're kidding. We got to wait for him to get all the way back to the border and come back and pick up 0.034 tons and take it to the border. Right, what's this place here doing? You've got lots of equipment. Lots and lots of equipment. Where is the crane currently? You are working at the hospital. That's good. I approve of that because that's a big project. And, well, the shopping centre is built. Was that built before? I don't know. You've got food already, so that's beginning to load in. Clothes and electronics are probably on your list. Yeah, I said you can load everything, and then you're bringing in everything. Excellent. Well, it's just food and clothes, isn't it? Then, yeah. I'm going to rename this to be shop. Shop warehouse. And then that would be able to see what that is a bit more sensibly. Are we going to gravel this road? I don't see a reason why we wouldn't. And this one? I think we should. Why have we not already? I don't know. Let's get on with it. Get on with the gravelling of those roads. And as such, we'll do that one as well. And that bit. Yeah, in fact, everything. Right. I think that's going to need buses, that one. You can't do anything yet because you've got to do the sides first. Right. Right, I think we're done. So I'm pretty sure you can't go over there because of that. Let's demolish the road entirely. Is this the right tool to do that? Right. Just cancel that. Cancel that. Right. Can you do a route? Is it because of that? Or is it more likely because of that? It's not happy, is it? Let's pull those back a bit. I don't need to, definitely don't need to demolish that one. Do need to demolish that one. Right, you should have teams on the way. A microbus. Is it too small for your digger, is it? Probably. I mean, I think you're taking this out as well. I'm building zip around the grain storage. Well, you're getting to work already on there. That's great to see. You're dumping the gravel already. There must be some mechanism on its way. That's probably yours, is it? Oh, you're doing that bit. Oh, that's great to see. There's the one there as well. Good. These have all been done for free, no workers. And it's got dark again. Oh my gosh, how quickly does it get dark around here? I mean, it is March, isn't it? Where's me chaps to get rid of this bit of road? That's a janky bit of road for you guys, isn't it? How well you seem to be coping. Where's my microbus? Here you come. 7 workers. The bypass is working well though. That's that bit done. That I will allow buses. You done? You're not done. Surely you're not full. 1.1. Oh my gosh, where's the wait on full thing? See, now we're waiting for you because it's done. It's not done. We still need 2 more workers. Oh my gosh. All this is to find out whether we need a need to knock down our electricity poles. Can I borrow you? 21 workers, that's too many. 0 workers. I need like 2 workers. 12 to 8. No, I can't redirect them anyway, can I? Microbus going to come back absolutely packed for these 2 work days, and then we got to wait for the dumper truck to come back. I bet the dumper truck gets here before the microbus does. Where's my bus? Oh no, he's not. Where's the bus? Is that you? Missed. Got it. Well, you got enough workers, but you got to get back before he finishes loading. Here comes the skip lorry. Top of your screen there. Oh, sorry, he's going to the depot because there's not enough waste. I mean, I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to remove the... You've run out of fuel, but did you get it done? Yeah. Now you're going to come and take that away. Will you take away all 1.7, or are you going to do it in 2 shifts? Good. Well done. Right. That is now gone. Let's do the factory connection. No, it's not doing it. Let's make sure there's no road there at all. No. It's probably going to need, might as well remove you too. And you. Will it let me do it now? I don't expect it will. Electricity problems. Yeah, don't worry. You haven't got any citizen. We're fine. What size power cables were these? You can't tell. You've just got to look at them. Was it these? Or was it these? I think it's these. They look quite big. No, it wasn't them. Was it this one? It's so difficult to tell. It's not those, is it? No. It's these ones, isn't it? Yeah. Right. I mean, do we want to go back? I mean, I suppose we do. Let's go for factory connection. We're going to go across the road, this side. Will I be? I might. If it's anything like the pipes, you got to wait for them to be demolished. Is that? I've said for this to be demolished as well. That one I don't want demolished. Don't demolish that one. But do demolish this one. Wires. Wires go away. That one. That one. What happened to my other wires? I think we just gotta wait and see what happens. What happened to my wires? Oh, they are there, look, they're there. So that one shouldn't be demolished. I think when they're in... You're... I'm just going to have to wait. Right, Well, I guess what we'll do is we'll find out in the next episode whether the right wires were demolished and whether we can link them back up again, and then whether that was causing us not to be able to have the factory connection between the two buildings that have not been built yet. Simple as that. Any ideas what I'm doing wrong or could do better, feel free to let me know. Is that another? That's another flat, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Feel free to let me know, and we will have a look. So this is the new food factory. Thanks for watching, guys.